Perfect. Perfect.
So this is what the entrance to Chocolate World looks like here at Hershey Park. We got a Hershey s'mores bar outside here. Thank you. All right, let's see what it is like inside. In case you're wondering what they sell here, they sell a lot of calories. Crazy. Let's check this out. So we're heading into the Hershey Chocolate Tour right now. Let's see what that's all about. So it looks like we're about to head on to some sort of, I'm not even sure what that is, but take a look and let me know in the comments below.
Welcome aboard the Hershey's Chocolate Factory Tour. We're on our way to the Hershey Chocolate Factory.
Hi, Jerri. Oh, let's go. Sweet inspiration from the very start. You can taste the love all over the world. Got that feel-good feeling every day. We're making chocolate the Hershey way, and you can taste the love all over the world. Taste the love. Taste the love. Taste the love.
It all starts with cocoa beans, which are harvested and shipped to us from tropical regions around the world. We send the cocoa beans through large cleaning machines. that screen and thoroughly remove unwanted parts like pulp and bits of cacao. Our cocoa experts carefully select, sort, and combine beans from various countries in precise amounts to achieve that unique and consistent Hershey's flavor.
Hey everyone! Below me are milling machines which grind cocoa nibs into unsweetened chocolate. Cocoa nibs have been ground down like this for thousands of years. Milling machines generate lots of heat through intense pressure and friction. The grinding turns cocoa nibs into the smooth, dark liquid used to make milk and dark chocolate.
Our pressing machines squeeze the unsweetened chocolate into discs of cocoa powder, known as Hershey's cocoa. Pressing also produces cocoa butter, which we'll use later on in the process. Hershey is one of the only companies in the world that uses fresh milk to make milk chocolate. Fresh milk is part of what gives Hershey's milk chocolate its delicious and distinctive taste. Once it passes testing, we mix sugar into the milk using large batching tanks. We pasteurize and condense the sweetened milk and then blend in the perfect amount of unsweetened chocolate. This is where the art of chocolate making all comes together. As the mixture cooks, it begins to form delicious little pieces that we call chocolate crumbs.
Isn't it amazing how a little sugar and cacao we go perfection just by adding milk?
We dry the chocolate crumb into a coarse powder. Then we mix in the cocoa butter we pressed out earlier and add a dash of vanilla. This brings out the chocolate's rich taste and creamy texture, and of course, that wonderful smell. We feed the chocolate crumb through steel rollers that grind and refine the chocolate until it reaches a smooth, uniform consistency.
Isn't it amazing how a little sugar and cacao we go perfection just by adding milk? It takes 1, 2, 3 real simple things to stir in a little pure magic. Taste the love all over the world. Isn't it amazing how a little sugar and cacao we go perfection just by adding?
Looks like our packages are ready to go, and I better get going too. It's been a privilege being your guide today. Remember that wherever you go, you're never far from a piece of Hershey's happiness. So be sure to share that goodness with the ones you love. Thank you, everyone.
So there you have it, guys. It was a great experience. I did not expect the tour to go like that. They did have some almost like bumper cars that was automatically going around the Hershey factory and showing us each step of the process. It was very interesting. Definitely check it out if you do come to Hershey. Check out the chocolate factory tour. Amazing experience, and best of all, it's free. It's separate and apart from the park itself with the rides, and you get a 3-hour pass in terms of parking. So you can park for 3 hours for free, and then you can just come to the chocolate factory and enjoy this experience. We're gonna end the video right here. Thanks a lot for watching. We do appreciate you watching. We are gonna see you in our next video. Peace out from Hershey, Pennsylvania.